What's up, everybody? It's your girl Yola, and today I'm gonna rewind today, but boo, I got a story to tell. I got something to say, okay? So I'm gonna say it. I'm gonna say it when I say it. I'm gonna mean what I say when I say what I mean it. I mean it, okay? Let's start there, all right? So this is non-officially sponsored by Wendy's. But that's what we gonna eat on today while we tell this good story. Honey, all right? It's about Wendy's anyway. Might as well go ahead and eat it and tell the good story, honey. Okay, hold on, let me get my stuff out. I know they lied. Bag empty. Ain't not. Where the ketchup at? What if I was poor and I didn't have no ketchup? Because this meal was free, okay? So what if I ain't had no ketchup at home? Wendy's. Hey, now I gotta get up and go get me some doggone ketchup. The absolute audacity of them. I know they lied and tried it. Anyways, let me bless my food first. I ain't got no... I got two little funky napkins. Okay. Let me bless my food because, you know, you got to thank God even if it's free. Amen. Ketchup. Okay. Because what I got to tell you, baby, I could not believe it. I was like, what y'all not gonna try to do is not give me my good free meal the way I want it, okay? The way I want it. Ooh! If y'all ain't know, anytime y'all go to one of them 100 flavor drink things, friend, mixed berry Minute Maid. Baby, it will change your soul. Now, I try to get it at the store. It don't taste the same. But this right here. Ooh, wait. Where my stuff at? Yes, honey. Yes. Okay. Let me not fan my food be cold. So let me get up into this good story. Let me check my fries out. My food lukewarm because I had to go to a totally different store. Y'all ain't see me spit. Hold up, let me bite my burger. Because I'm hungry. I'd have been home a good 15, 20 minutes ago if it had not been for Wendy's, even though I'm eating them. I'm in Dave's #1 with the works. I'm talking about lettuce, tomato, onion, pickle. It's already sloppy like a fat burger. This be the worst part about mukbangs to me. How you supposed to eat when your food good or you're hungry? And I want to put food in my mouth. Anyway. So, the story is this. Okay. I got a card from Wendy's. Okay, I want it. And it was a card for a free combo. Any combo of your choice is what this card says. You can pick a combo of your choice, right? And then you flip it on the other side on the front. And the drinks go large, medium, small. And then there's a list of sides. It's like build your own meal. Pick a sandwich, whatever sandwich you want. Whatever size drink you want. Whatever size you want. Cool. Now, my biggest concern is not having a large fry. But having a large drink. Because I love this drink. It's so good. Like, oh, it's so good. So anyway, so I'm just sitting here. I'm like, okay, let me get my little free meal. Whatever, I give him my little card. Now, mind you, this is my local Wendy's. I go to this Wendy's all the time. Now, mind you, I am beat. Okay, like, I'm cute today. Okay, I got a full beat on. Did a video earlier. So I was like, I was hungry. I want to eat. I'm hungry. So anyway, look, my fries gonna get cold. I know you know that. I'm going to go ahead and empty them out. I don't need a little box. Let me get in on these fries. I've been and lost my train of thought. I'm over here hungry. Anyway, I'm minding my good business. Get up there. Get my little card. Hey, how you doing? How you feeling? Mighty fine. My name is Yolanda, and I want me some... Hey, Wendy. Hey. I'm sorry. Let me stop playing with y'all. I get my little card or whatever, and the girl didn't know how to do it. Understandable, whatever. She bring the little manager over or whatever. And so the manager didn't know how to put the code into the computer. Not my fault. I don't work for Wendy's. So I get to the next window, and the lady is like, there's a lady, she get a little large cup, because I see small cups lined up, baby. They make my cups, honey. I know. I want my large. So I know these cups ain't for me. So I see her pick up the little big cup or whatever, and I was like, get my good big juice. So then she was like, the lady asked the manager to turn to her, she go, well, she say she want a large, but it say small on there, but she said she want large, because somebody gonna put small. I asked for a large, boo. I asked for a large. Okay. Anyway, so she's like, well, it has to be a small. I said nicely, well, ma'am, if you look on the card, it gives me the option to pick whatever I want. I don't care about these doggone fries. Give me my large drink. Lady, stop playing with me. It's something on my face. Oh, for real. Let me get that. Thank God for the good napkins, honey. Because they ain't give me no doggone ketchup. I'm hungry. I ain't gonna play with y'all. Anyway. So, it has to be a small. Now, ma'am, I'm gonna want you to go check that card right quick so we can see that I can pick my drink. You know what I'm saying? Because I want my large drink. We already talked about that. So, she tells the lady who had my card, can you bring me the card, please? So now I'm holding up the line, which I don't give no damn. You know what's important to me, okay? So she gets the card. She's looking at it. She looks on the back, combo of your choice, flips it over. It's clear as day right there. It's not like no print you gotta read. Baby, it's pictures. They made it even good for slow people. So I figured her slow self will understand what it said, because they ain't even just got it in words, honey. In writing, they got pictures. Pictures. Okay. Nevertheless, she looks at me and she was like, it has to be a small. Black lady, Miss Marmarosa, Marissa, Montel, whatever your name was. Why is you playing with me? Why is you playing with me? We didn't even need all this. We didn't have to happen today. My day was going swell. I did my look. I went to Wendy's. I was finna eat for the free $3.99. Down the street from my house. 5 minutes. Nope. She was not going. Let me tell you, boo. She was like, it has to be a small or you ain't finna get nothing. I said, well, I'm gonna have my card and then we ain't gonna have nothing together. Okay, baby. That's all that matters. Because I'm in a car and it's mine. It ain't no Uber. I ain't got nobody driving me, boo. I will take my light-skinned self over here to this other Wendy's. Okay? Will I be happy about it? No. But am I finna go? Yes. Why? Because my meal is free. But why couldn't you be the person to give it to me? Why? Why? So here I am eating my good food that's half lukewarm. Now it's almost dang near cold because I decided I want to sit up in here and talk to y'all and tell you the little story or whatever. Let me tell you how I've been smashing and I'm editing out all of me smashing. Smashing. Okay? I still got me a Frosty waiting on me. I'm smashing this food. But anyway, Wendy's, for real. Then I called the little Wendy's hotline. They ain't ask for no phone number, no email to respond back. Just, we gonna talk to that person. Now I'm never going back to that Wendy's because that person gonna remember me. I looked like this. I wouldn't forget no bitch that was no Wendy's looking like this. I'd be like, oh, that one girl who was looking real cute. That must be her because that's the only person. Oh, let me rewind. Because, baby, I wanted my card back, so I left. I got my card. I was like, ma'am, that's fine. I want my large drink. So, I took my little card and I left. But guess what I forgot? My free Frosty card. Baby, you know, I turned right on around. I said, skirt, skirt. Went right back on. Walked up in that store and I was like, can I please have my free pharmacy card? And she was sitting right there. Baby, ain't no hard feelings between me and you. But twunks us, honey. But twunks us. Ain't no hard feelings. I just want my food. And I want my food how I want it with my large drink. Yeah, I'm going to keep doing it every time. That's how good it is. Go on to Wendy's and get you one. It ain't got to be Wendy's. Anyone that got the 100+ little machine, mixed berry, Minute Maid. Baby, I'm saying it's going to change your life. Just play with me if you want to. Anyways, not sponsored. I'll never be sponsored by them because they going to be mad when they see the little video, okay, or whatever. But I'm going to want y'all to have some better customer service. Even your little hotline. Booted them too. Send me a free card. Some food. I'm hungry. Okay? So, that was my little story or whatever. I was a little peed off or whatever. I was like, I'm gonna come home and tell the kids about my little story because I know they tried me. Huh! They tried it. But you see, I got my food. It's a little lukewarm. It's a little cold. It's okay. It's okay. I'm gonna eat it. And I'm going to eat it and I'm going to edit me smashing this food out too. Ha! Anyway, my first official mukbang. Honey, we ain't got no time for no games. Y'all don't be letting it. Y'all don't judge me. Y'all don't be letting these food companies do y'all petty. Like, I pulled a whole Becky. I called 911. Sure did. And 911 didn't do nothing, just like usual. Huh. They ain't no different than Wendy's, okay? Them boys, them berry boys and Wendy's, they working together. They conspiring. Wendy's don't want to give you your coupons, even though they making the daggone coupons. Like, you making these coupons. Why you making them? How you ain't gonna take the coupon that your company making? Oh, whatever. I'm done. I don't even care no more. I'm finna eat my food, finish my food, I guess, and then whatever. So I hope that y'all enjoyed my first official mukbang, okay, with my story about the little Wendy's trip or whatever, honey. And I hope that y'all having a great day, honey, and I love you guys. Mwah.